animals coming to their farm when they are not around. So we are coming up with a device that once the farmer mounts it into their farm, if something comes within the range that we've configured for that device, the device will make some pre-recorded sound, and this is like a short demo for it. So I'll be presenting that right now. So just imagine there's an animal here that's that's in the range within the farm, and once the animal goes off, the sound stops. So this is just a short demo. This is an ultrasonic sensor that measures the sounds, that senses things around it, and once it can get anything within, this is just like a short demo. There are more advanced sensors that we can use when we want to build the only one. So that's it.
Yeah, well done. This is really great coming from Mechatronics Engineering department, especially the hub, interested in training students in innovative designs, and the department will give you all the support you need, and we're also exploring the external context, and I believe people seeing what you're doing and knowing the potentials within you will give whatever support that they can to bring this to reality. Well done.
Thank you very much.